Hey, happy to see you again. Today we will talk about a brain-eating amoeba called naegleria fowleri and how to prevent it. Let's start. Naegleria fowleri, also known as a brain-eating amoeba, causes an extremely rare sudden, severe and usually fatal brain infection. Let's first talk about where this organism is found. This microorganism is typically found in bodies of warm freshwater, such as ponds, lakes, rivers, hot springs, warm water discharge from industrial or power plants, poorly maintained or minimally chlorinated swimming pools, soil, and pipes connected to tap water. Pathogenesis means how this virus enters into the body and then in brain. Infections most often occur when water containing naegleria fowleri is inhaled through the nose, where it then enters the nasal and olfactory nerve tissue, traveling to the brain through the cribriform plate. Fowleri cannot cause infection by swallowing contaminated water. Infections typically occur after swimming in warm climate freshwater, although there have been cases in cooler climates such as Minnesota. In rare cases, the infection has been caused by nasal or sinus rinsing with contaminated water in a nasal rinsing device such as a neti pot. Symptoms. It takes about 1 to 9 days, an average of 5, for symptoms to appear after nasal exposure to N. Fowleri flagellates. Symptoms may include headache, fever, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, altered mental state, coma, drooping eyelid, blurred vision, and loss of the sense of taste. Later more severe symptoms can include stiff neck, confusion, lack of attention, loss of balance, seizures, and hallucinations. Once symptoms begin to appear, death will usually occur within 2 weeks. A person infected with N. fowleri cannot spread the infection to another person. Prevention. Prevent naegleria fowleri by following methods. Number 1. Avoid using tap water when irrigating, flushing, or rinsing nasal passages. Use sterile, distilled water. Number 2. Do not let water get into the nose or use the nasal clips when taking part in water-related activities involving bodies of warm, fresh water. Number 3. Keep swimming pools adequately disinfected before and during use. Chlorine and pH levels should be maintained at proper levels. Number 4. Avoid any activity where it is difficult to prevent water from being forced up the nose. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.